I know you have heard about the law of attraction over and over again, but have you ever asked yourself, is the law of attraction real? Is it proven by science and study? And how do you make it work? Well, in this video, we are going to discuss about the law of attraction. We are going to talk about what is the law of attraction, how it works, and most importantly, how you can make it work. So, what is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is the belief that the universe creates and provides for you that which your thoughts are focused on. In short, it is a philosophy suggesting that positive thoughts bring positive results into a person's life, while negative thoughts bring negative outcomes. In other words, whatever you focus on in your life, you will attract. This doesn't mean to say that if you sit down and think and focus on a red Lamborghini, it will magically appear in your garage. No, it doesn't work this way. There's actually a science behind this. There is a tiny part of your brain called Reticular Activating System, or RAS in short, and this is how RAS work. Imagine you are in a noisy room. It is super loud and you can't hear a thing. But when someone from across the room says your name, you will go like, what? Who said that? How is it that you can't hear anything, but when it comes to your name, you can hear it? Well, that's your RAS at work. You see, throughout your entire life, you have trained your RAS to believe that your name is extremely important to you. So you tune to that frequency of that word, your name. And that's why you hear it when someone calls your name, even if you are in a noisy room. Now here's another example. When you are looking to buy a new car, you walk into a dealership and you see a car that you like, right? And you tell yourself, wow, I like this car. You take it for a test drive, you sit there talking about it, you take pictures of yourself in the driver's seat, and you even talk about it with your friends and share it on social media. Guess what? You have just trained your brain or your RAS that this car is important to you. And as you drive back home in your old car, you look in the rear view mirror. There's that car. Then you pull into your neighborhood. You notice your neighbors got the same car. Out of a sudden, this car just got so popular and you can see it anywhere on the street. The truth is that the car didn't get popular, but you have trained your RAS to pay attention to it. When you focus and think about the things you desire, you are training your brain to say these things are important to you. And your RAS will filter off all the unnecessary details and help you pay attention to those things that you desire most. And this is how the law of attraction works. Now, if the law of attraction is so powerful, why is it that so many people fail to manifest and attract what they want into their life? Well, there are a few reasons for this. Number one, you have a messy thought. You have no idea specifically what you want. When you ask most people what they want, they will tell you they want to be happy. They want to lose weight. They want to become rich. They want to become successful. You see, these are general wishes that most people have. Without a clear picture of what you desire to achieve, you are directionless, let alone letting the universe help you or guide you, right? And number two, you have conflicting thoughts. At one moment, you want to start a business, but another moment, you worry that your business is going to fail and you don't have what it takes to make it. Here's another great example. Most people say that they want to get rich, but deep down, they have a conflicting belief that they think being rich means evil. How can you achieve greatness when all you think about is negativity, right? Just like Grant Cardone once said, you can't get rich thinking poor. There's no way that can happen. And number three, you're not putting in the work. Here's where most people get it wrong when it comes to the law of attraction. They think that all they need to do is sit there and just think about what they want. And what they want will magically appear in their life. No, it doesn't work this way. Here's what you need to understand. You don't get what you want. You get what you are. In other words, you need to put in the work, effort, and take action to become the right person who will attract the things you want. During an interview with Oprah Winfrey, Jim Carrey, the famous Hollywood actor, once said, "You can't just visualize and then go eat a sandwich." And Jim Carrey was right. You have to put in the work and take action, my friend. When you truly believe what you want is going to come to you, you will go out there and make it happen. Just like when you absolutely believe that your business idea is going to take off, you will do everything you can to make it happen. You will quit your job because you believe it will work. You will convince your friends to join you because you believe that your business is going to work. You will put in the hard work because you believe it will work. Do you now know why most people fail to manifest and attract what they want? Now you know why most people fail to attract the results they desire. So what can you do to make it work for you? Well, here are a few tips to help you. First, be clear and specific about what you want. You don't want to be vague, because vague goals produce vague results. If you have no idea what you want out of life, then guess what? You'll be living like everyone else, getting nowhere. Second, condition your mind for the things you want. You want to train your reticular activating system to see that what you want is important to you. For instance, you can practice visualization. You can practice positive affirmations. You want to constantly talk and think about the things you want. Set it as a goal and make plans for it to happen. Third, take action and work on what you want. Things are not going to magically appear in your life. Remember, you don't attract what you want. You attract who you are. So you want to develop yourself to become the right person who will attract the right results into your life. And how do you do that? Through taking massive and consistent action. And fourth, be grateful. You want to appreciate whatever you have in life right now. The more grateful you are, the more likely you are going to attract better success into your life. Why? Because when you are grateful, you feel good. And when you feel good, you will operate from a higher frequency and vibration, and success will come to you easier and faster. Oprah Winfrey has a great saying about this. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. So these are the things that can help you make the law of attraction work for you. By now, I hope you understand what the law of attraction is all about and how you can make it work so that you can attract what you want into your life. Now, is the law of attraction real, and will it work for you? The answer is clear. Whether you think it is real or fake, and whether you think it will work for you or not, you are right. If you think it is real, then it is real. If you think it will work for you, then it will. It's all about your beliefs and mindset. When you think something is going to work, you will put in more effort and make it work. But when you don't think something can work, you will never bother putting in the effort. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you watch, hit the like button now. More importantly, subscribe to this channel so that you will discover more videos that will help you achieve greater success and live a better life. Thank you for watching. That's all for now. See ya.